Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we turn our attention to Latin America's largest and most complex market, Brazil. For foreign medical device manufacturers, Brazil presents immense opportunity, but also significant regulatory hurdles. We will explore how to navigate this landscape by examining the structure of a successful multinational player, Zimmer Biomet Brasil Ltda, a subsidiary focused on orthopedics based in São Paulo. Their approach provides a valuable blueprint for market entry. The first and most critical step for any foreign company is understanding that you cannot directly register a medical device with Brazil's regulatory authority, ANVISA. All registrations must be held by a local entity, known as a Brazil registration holder, or BRH. This holder is legally responsible for the device on the Brazilian market. This requirement is why companies like Zimmer Biomet establish a local subsidiary. By creating Zimmer Biomet Brasil Ltda, they establish their own BRH, giving them full control over their registrations, quality management, and commercial operations. This local entity must also have the proper corporate licenses. The subsidiary is registered under Brazil's specific wholesale CNAE, which is the National Classification of Economic Activities, for medical and surgical instruments. This isn't just paperwork, it's a foundational compliance step that authorizes the company to legally import and distribute its products, such as joint reconstruction, sports medicine, and trauma solutions. Without the correct CNAE, commercial operations would be impossible. Beyond the corporate structure, ANVISA has two other major requirements. First is the Brazilian Good Manufacturing Practice, or BGMP, certification. For many medium and high-risk devices, ANVISA requires an in-person inspection and audit of the manufacturing facility, wherever it is in the world, before granting market approval. This audit, valid for 2 years, ensures the facility complies with Brazilian quality standards. Second, certain devices, particularly those with an electrical component, also require INMETRO certification, which verifies the product meets specific safety and performance standards. These certifications are prerequisites for the final ANVISA registration. In summary, Zimmer Biomet's success in Brazil is built on a solid foundation, establishing a local subsidiary to act as the BRH, securing the correct corporate licenses like the CNAE, and complying with rigorous ANVISA and INMETRO technical requirements. This strategy of deep localization is essential for any company looking to access the opportunities within Brazil's demanding MedTech market. If navigating the complexities of markets like Brazil seems daunting, Pure Global is here to help. We provide end-to-end regulatory solutions to streamline your global market access. Please check the description for a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.